Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Science here. Friends, this video is about actinides. As you can see here is a blank table I have taken, and I assure you that you will learn this table here only if you draw this table along with me. Okay, so let's start the video. And I have already taken a video on lanthanides. So if you have not seen that video, I will give you the link in the description box. Just go through it, and within minutes you will surely learn lanthanide and actinide with simple tricks and tips. Okay, and not only the elements and their symbol or atomic number, you will also learn configuration, that is electronic configuration, and their oxidation state. Okay, very simple and very easy. Okay, so let's start the video, and I will tell you that first in this table we will go through the trick. Okay, and with this trick you can come to your element. Okay, I've written the elements already here, but I will give you the trick through which you can directly come to your element or your symbol. Okay, so no need to confuse in that. Okay, so first our trick will be acting thick per used nail paint पूरे अमेरिका कम बिके then California में. Friends, you are seeing here that the trick is in Hindi. Okay, please watch the video till the end. In the end of this video I will give you a trick which will be in English. Okay, that means the trick will be having English words. Okay, then Einstein famous. Don't worry, I will explain this, and very simple. Once you will make a sentence out of this trick, it will be very simple for you. Lawrence May. Okay, so this is the trick. See, acting thick पर used nail paint पूरे अमेरिका कम बिके. Okay, this is one sentence. Next sentence is California में Einstein famous, Mendel Nobel, Lawrence में. Okay, suppose Lawrence is a place, so Mendel Nobel, two person, famous in Lawrence. Okay, so this is the trick. Okay, so now you know that actinides, as it is represented by AC. Okay, and it is also having 14 elements like lanthanides, and the elements are from thorium, atomic number 90, to lawrencium, atomic number 103. Okay, so you can see here that I've also included actinium. Okay, I have not started with thorium, I have taken actinium also, but that's why you can see I have written the number 1 from here. That means the 14 elements of lanthanide are from here. Okay, from thorium. Actinium is not an actinide, but also I am including this element in this table because after actinium only these elements come. Okay, that's why they are called actinides. But through this actinium it will be very simple for you to remember the elements and the electronic configuration. Okay, that's why I have written here. But remember, here this point is to note here that actinium is not an actinide. Okay, it is not an F block element, it is a D block element or transition element. Okay, while lanthanide and actinides are inner transition elements, that means F block elements. Okay, so here you can see that actinium is having atomic number 89. Okay, because thorium, the next element, is having atomic number 90. That means actinium is having 89. Okay, so including this actinium, I have made the trick, okay, so that you will easily remember. Acting thick पर यूज नेल पेंट पूरे अमेरिका कम बिके, कैलिफोर्निया में आइंस्टीन फेमस, मेंडल नोबेल लॉरेंस में. Okay, that means actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium. Okay, so these are our elements, and from this trick only you will come to know about the symbol. Okay, it is very simple. Just see, in acting you have to take AC. Okay, so the symbol will be AC, atomic number 89. Okay, then thorium, so from thick you have to take TH, that means thorium, atomic number 90. Then protactinium, per, that is PA 91. Okay, then uranium, only U have to take, U 92. Then neptunium, so nail paint, N from here, P from here, NP 93. Plutonium, that means PU. Okay, so pure America, you can here write this pure as PU. Okay, it will be pure, or you can call it as pure, so it will be simple for you to make the symbol, that is PU 94. Americium, so I have taken America, so it is simple, AM 95. Then curium, CM 96. Berkelium, BK 97. Californium, CF 98. Einsteinium, ES 99. Then fermium, FM 100. Mendelevium, MD 101. Then nobelium, NO 102. Okay, then lawrencium, LR 103. Okay, so you can see very simple it is. From this trick only you will come to know about the element and also the symbol. Okay, so now let's come to our configuration. So for configuration you have to remember that as in the case of lanthanide, all the lanthanide configuration I have explained, that was after the configuration of the noble gas element xenon, but in actinides all the configuration are after noble gas configuration radon. Okay, that means first radon configuration and after that 5F, 6D, 6D and 7s. These are the valential electrons. Okay, and basically in configuration from this part only questions arise from the valential electrons. Okay, so we will write Rn for all, that means no need to describe all full configuration of radon, just write Rn here, and the valential configuration we will discuss. Okay, so first write configuration of radon for all the elements, that means all the elements are having firstly radon configuration and after that the valential configuration, and Rn in square bracket it resembles that here Rn configuration is there, but instead of the full configuration we are just representing it. Okay, next you have to remember that for first two elements, that is actinium and thorium, no 5f orbital is present, only 6d1 and 7s2. Okay, and here 6d2 7s2. Okay, this is very simple. Just remember first two elements as 6d1 and 6d2, and 7s2 is common for both. Okay, next you have to remember that here 5f1, 5f5 and 5f8 are absent. As in lanthanides I have told, here also 5f1, 5f5 and 5f8, these all are absent. Okay, and 5f7 and 5f14 is 2 times. Okay, so very simple. Just start with 5f2, that because 5f1 is absent. So see 5f2, then next 5f3, 5f4, 5f5 is also absent. So 5f6, 5f7, 5f7 2 times, 5f8 also absent, 5f9, 5f10, 5f11, 5f12, 5f13, 5f14 and 5f14 2 times. Okay, so this is very simple. Then next for 61, you have to remember that. So here you have to remember protactinium is having 61, then 6d1, and up to neptunium it is 61. Okay, then plutonium and americium, they are not having 6d orbital, that means they have 6d0. Okay, so no need to write in that. Then curium, it is having 6d1. Okay, it is the middle element, so you can remember like this. And after curium, lawrencium, that is last element, is having 61. Okay, so and rest others are having not having any electron in 6d orbital, so no need to write that, that means 6d0. Okay, and all the elements without any exception are having 7s2. Okay, 7s2, that means 2 electrons in the 7s orbital, 7s2 for all the elements. Okay, so this is also very simple. You just have to remember for 61. Okay, and 61 is present in the first, that is actinium, then middle one curium, sorry, americium. Americium is not having 61, I have written it wrong. These two don't have. It is present in curium, 61. Okay, sorry for the mistake. It is present in curium. Okay, that means first in actinium, then curium, and next. Okay, so now we will talk about the oxidation state. So like lanthanides, they are having variable oxidation states, but some of the elements are having variable oxidation state. But similar to lanthanide, these actinides also have +3 oxidation state as common. Okay, so +3 is common for all the elements without any exception. Okay, but some of the elements are also having other oxidation states. Okay, like actinium shows +2 and +3, then thorium shows +2, +3, +4, then protactinium shows +3, +4 and +5. Okay, next uranium shows +3, +4, +5, +6. Then neptunium shows +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. And next plutonium shows +3, +4, plus 5 plus 6. Okay, and americium and curium shows plus 3 and plus 4. Okay, and rest all the elements shows plus 3 oxidation state only. Okay, so this is also very simple. Just go through it once and you will remember easily. I'm sure that it is simple for you because this trick is very easy and you can easily remember the elements along with the symbol. Okay, because sometimes in exam it is just asked about the atomic number or element related questions, so you can easily do such questions by this table. Okay, and as I have told you that I will give you a trick related to English words. Okay, because some of you are having difficulty. So the trick is act to protect uranium, not plutonium. Amazing cure. Okay, then breaking California, Einstein formed Mendel Nobel law. Okay, hope so this is simple for you. Act, that means actinium, then thorium. Act to protect uranium, not plutonium. Amazing cure, breaking California. Einstein formed Mendel Nobel law. Okay, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, californium, berkelium. Sorry, this is curium, this is californium, then einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium. Okay, so these are the elements and this is the trick in English. Okay, hope so you like the trick both in English and Hindi. And if this table is clear for you, then please like this video and share as much as you can with others and explain it to others so that you will also remember easily and you will never forget this table and you don't have to by heart also. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any suggestion, so please comment. Please subscribe my channel for such topics and suggest topics which you find difficult so that I will explain you in simple and easy methods. Okay, and wherever I will found, I will give you the trick to remember or learn things. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.